Hello friend, this TV 32-inch problem, display problems and backlight and sound okay but display not coming. Repair LED TV display. Finally, open the back cover. Easily open the back cover. This TV is the sound okay, backlight okay, all voltage okay, and but no display problems. Solution repairing. For open the back cover, check this Ticon IC voltage and scalar PCB voltage. All voltage check this, and right side COF IC. Open the right side COF IC pin. Remove this COF IC and open the TV. On the TV. Finally, open the back COF IC and check this picture and Hyundai company display okay, and CKV line shorts. Thanks for watching video.